this video, we will show you how to backup Android phone. We will try to backup on Android itself, also on computers. To backup your Android phones, you can go to Settings and select About Phone. Then you can scroll down and choose Backup and Restore. Choose Computers. You can click Mobile Device or you can click this. Now we can start backup our phone using this button. Wait until backup completed. After complete, you can check your backup on mobile device and you can click Tap Restore in here. You will find the backup in here. If you want to restore, you can just click this. But you can also download your backup for save on computers. This is your backup files. You can download this, you can copy into your local computer and your backup will be safe, and you can copy to this folder. You can restore it via your smartphone later. That's all.